The incredible benefits of spinach, nature's green powerhouse. When we think of superfoods, few plants embody the title as completely as spinach. This humble leafy green has been a staple in diets across the world for centuries. Whether in salads, smoothies, soups, or sauces, spinach offers an abundance of nutrients, antioxidants, and health-promoting compounds that make it one of the most powerful foods you can add to your plate. Let's take a closer look at the incredible benefits of spinach for our body, our mind, and our long-term well-being. 1. Nutrient density in every leaf. Spinach is often called a nutrient-dense food, meaning it delivers a huge amount of vitamins and minerals for very few calories. In just 1 cup of raw spinach, you get significant amounts of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Vitamin A supports healthy vision and skin. Vitamin C boosts your immune system. And vitamin K plays a critical role in blood clotting and bone strength. Folate, a B vitamin, is especially important for pregnant women as it aids in fetal development. Meanwhile, iron and magnesium fuel energy production, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. 2. A natural source of antioxidants. One of spinach's most celebrated features is its antioxidant profile. Spinach contains compounds such as lutein, zeaxanthin, quercetin, and beta-carotene. These antioxidants combat free radicals in the body, protecting your cells from oxidative stress, a process linked to aging and chronic diseases. Lutein and zeaxanthin, in particular, are known to accumulate in the retina of the eye. They act like natural sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Simply put, spinach is a natural ally for healthy, sharp vision. 3. Supports heart health. Spinach has been shown to improve cardiovascular health in several ways. First, its high nitrate content helps relax blood vessels, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. Studies have demonstrated that diets rich in leafy greens, especially spinach, contribute to better blood flow and overall heart performance. In addition, potassium and magnesium in spinach further aid in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, while antioxidants like quercetin reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in arteries. Together, these factors make spinach a natural protector of the heart. 4. Strengthens bones and joints. Spinach is a rich source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. Vitamin K works with calcium to maintain bone density and strength, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis as we age. The magnesium and phosphorus in spinach also contribute to skeletal health, while its anti-inflammatory compounds can ease discomfort in joints. For those looking to keep their bones strong and resilient, incorporating spinach into daily meals is a simple and effective step. 5. Boosts energy and reduces fatigue. Feeling tired or drained? Spinach may help. Its iron content plays a critical role in producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. By improving oxygen transport, spinach helps prevent anemia and support steady energy levels. Moreover, the combination of B vitamins, magnesium, and folate aids in cellular energy production, making spinach a natural energizer that fights fatigue. No wonder it was popularized as a strength-giving food in pop culture. Remember Popeye? While the cartoon may exaggerate, the truth is that spinach really does fuel vitality. 6. Supports healthy skin and hair. Spinach is also a beauty food. Its vitamin A helps regulate oil production in the skin, keeping it hydrated but not greasy. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is essential for collagen synthesis, the protein that keeps our skin firm and youthful. The antioxidants in spinach protect skin cells from UV damage and pollution, slowing signs of aging. For hair, spinach provides iron and folate, ensuring healthy circulation to the scalp and promoting hair growth. Stronger, shinier hair and clearer skin can truly start from within with spinach as part of your diet. 7. Aids digestion and weight management. Spinach is high in fiber while remaining low in calories, making it an excellent food for digestive health and weight management. Fiber supports healthy bowel movements, balances blood sugar, and helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing overeating and cravings. Additionally, compounds in spinach have been shown to slow down digestion, prolonging satiety and supporting steady energy release. For those aiming to maintain or lose weight naturally, spinach is a perfect ally. 8. Protects against chronic diseases. Long-term consumption of spinach has been linked to reduced risk of several chronic illnesses. Its antioxidants lower inflammation, which is a root cause of conditions like diabetes, arthritis, and even certain cancers. The chlorophyll in spinach may also play a role in detoxifying the body and protecting DNA from damage. By regularly consuming spinach, you're not just nourishing your body for today, you're protecting it for the future. Conclusion: spinach is more than just a leafy green, it's a powerhouse of nutrition, a shield against disease, and a supporter of vitality from head to toe. With its impressive combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, spinach truly deserves its reputation as one of nature's greatest gifts. Whether you enjoy it raw in a salad, blended in a smoothie, lightly steamed, or added to your favorite dish, spinach is one of the simplest and most effective ways to elevate your health. So the next time you're at the market, remember, a handful of spinach is a handful of wellness.